So without taking up any of the like main real estate on the menu, they still draw the eye down to towards the bottom of the menu. You'll see most of them, and again, it's using that color and negative space. When you have this many items listed on the menu, first of all, they've done a good job at laying out every single menu category with different colors, so it's easy to filter down. But you really are drawn into this colored negative space where you could see Tapas Tuesdays, where you could see Cheeky Mondays, as well as the lunch promotion. So really wanting to drive guests to the meal periods that typically are lower traffic, or if you happen to be dining there during one of these meal periods, just really highlighting it in an easy way, so you might take advantage of one of those promotions.
And often you would see this as a separate, like a table talker or a separate pamphlet or something on the table or positioned somewhere else to draw people in those other times. It's really nice that they've integrated that in. I think just to prime regular guests that are coming in to think, oh, I should maybe try these other times where I can get a good deal for myself.